robbery and also led to the recovery of an AK-47 rifle. We want to applaud the company as well, because when this shows that this is a company that has trained their security guards very well. So that was a thank you note for that security guard.
Ahawa GNTV Agarikwotysa Nikirinto nawe
Okuruga mu district ya Bweju barugeba basakwana batayira ishengere rukuru okurebe mirimo kweri kutwazibwa kandi bayakirwa Honorable Oliver Koyechenga ogo no myishengero mukazi ahabwa district niyemwe reka tubirebe.
Nkomulingo gukundisa abantu kushoma nangwa no kubereka ebirungi ebiri mu kushoma na nyensi ekyo kubasa kuba hona district ya Bweju erigiriyo ekwatire hamwe no munyishengero mukazi ahabwa district niyemwe ya Bweju owo kitenisa Honorable Oliver Koyechenga nko batyo kutayisa abeje okurwa mu district ya Bweju aha ishengero kuri ryihangiri ya Uganda ningash aha parliament omuri Kampala. Hona bejaba bagenzero misho no kuzaho mwishengero munda no kureba ebintu ko bikutwazibwa nangwa no kureba abanyishengero batari bamwe na bamwe nengere ibagambamo ekiritira beje hona nabo bagira kibayegamu nangwa no kugira ekibatunga nkabo ekirabase kubayamba ombwire bwa nyensi. Omukuganiraho no munyamakuru witu aheri yishengero bwa nyuma yo kurgayo kurambura ishengero ryonna aho kitinisa Oliver Koyechenga arigere no kushaba bejaba kubateka omutuma hakushoma nangwa no kubashoborera birungi ebiri mu kushoma na nyensya kubabasa kuja kuba bebembezi bakwatise kitabamane nangwa ne karamu bakareka okuzana nangwa no kushanga nibakora ebintu bitakwije
bagambira shomese amani twaza kureba imyaka akurateho twenda kureba ni mujukani ahampaha hariho ba MP hariho ba doctor hariho ba engineer ba teacher na professionals ezindi zone tukwe nabashaba mushome namani na nabagambire ngo mwaza kuka hashi turi hati mukashita mu parliament muri yakitu abaturi mutekwa kuba nimwe mukozero mu rumogwanyu kandi kinabashaba muhurikiza abashomeza banyu eva kubashomeza muhurikiza abazire banyu eva kubaganda muba bana barungi mwahurira mwetandare mze mibi eru kubatishura aha muramagwanyu go kushoma muhurire derobo nubwo murarujemu abantu bo mugasho banyenchakari
banyuma yo kurambura yishengero kandi hona abejaba babasize kurgayo kandi atyo nabone ko kubasibura bakagaruka mu makagavo mu district ya Bweju. Tuheyo Ronald ahabwa GNTV aha parliament.
Zamuni baronda owabesekwa natekateka okwitwa kwa omugenzi bosa kuri kugenda misho polisi yargayo yayongera akasimo akogwe wenorije kuba nakwata omuntu ogwe wahati bagata miliyoni 20 z'eshiringi za Uganda katubire
okwiha emishugugu emihuni entakimazirwe entenda karunjaba abanyambundu bargayo kandi bakatera amasasi wabyara mukuru w'ekika kyendiga kan ahabwe cweka echa Buganda okitinisa bosa omutakarwoma bakamwiha omagara genseji aturiho kuchondoza omuri polisi ya Uganda hamwe nebindi bikwekweto bya polisi hamwe nebyo kwerinda barukuronda ogwo owakashatu owabuzire aharyabo abisire bosa ruja bosa atabura ogno yarjeyo akabuza misho akatora ogwatwambwine akabuza amisho hamwe n'amaguru bwanyuma yo kutera omutaka bosa amasasi bakamucutera bakamwita akabondo ka polisi y'ihanga rya Uganda akarukura byo kuchondoza aka CID kakargaho katekaho akasimo ka miliyoni 10 z'eshiringi za Uganda ngogo wena ararebe ruja bosa atabura ningaramanye ahari arigeyo azakiteshani cha polisi ekimuri hihi atabaze na bwanyuma bakwate ruja bosa ataburogo.
The case of the murder of the late engineer Daniel Bosa, we are still continuing to receive information from the public You remember we came up with a reward of about 10 million shillings. We've had people who have rang us and provided information, but the information has not been credible. Now we want to generate more interest in the public for them to gain also interest in this information. There could still be people out there with information regarding the whereabouts of the prime suspect and mastermind of the murder by shooting of the late engineer Daniel Bossa, who was a prominent businessman and a former clan leader of the Ndiga clan.
Mbweno kwiha polisi netekaho akasimako tubakarebaga muntu wena arizire kugamba Ruja Bossa ahari ninga hiba murebere nico kirigireho akabondoka polisi aka CID okwata bakongeza akasimako kurgaha miliyoni 10 bakateka miliyoni 20 okugira ngo kakayamba abantu abo kurgaye bakarpotinga kandi bakahababa ahibara arebe Ruja Bossa tabara.
And because of that, the Directorate of CID has increased the reward offered for the arrest or credible information that can lead to the arrest of Ruja Bossa Tabula from Uganda shillings 10 million to Uganda shillings 20 million. The sources obtained so far from the public have not yielded fruit. We also want to urge the suspect who is in hiding to turn himself in and defend himself.
Origo mugambirizi wa polisi yo mwihanga ya Uganda ochitinisa SCP Fred Enanga arukuhiga abanya-Uganda bona na nabo abakubasa kubana bamanya Ruja Bossa tabara ogu omnyambundu omusugu go muhuni owatire amasasi mukuru w'ekika kyendiga clan akamucyutera akamwita kandi agatora ogwatwambwine okugira ngo barigeyo reporting bahababe kandi kikayamba omukuchendeza emisango na mnonga iyo kwitsa embundu omwihanga ya Uganda.
The longer he stays in hiding, the more guilty and desperate he becomes, and this could lead him into committing other crimes while aiding his escape or hideout. We are extremely confident that we are going to find him. Our teams of crime intelligence and CID are using all available tools to ensure that they locate where the wanted Ruja Bossa Tabula is. We will find him, we shall arrest him, and also bring him to justice. For those who don't know the appearance, we want to tell you that a wanted poster or a police appeal is available on the police website and various social media platforms. Once you type Ruja Bossa Tabula, it will bring you his images. So anyone with information about Ruja Bossa Tabula's whereabouts should call the Special Investigation Division at CID headquarters on 0741 111 333.
Ahabwa GNTV Agarikwotysa ndikirinto nabwe wabere kubanito mwabaziyogwe agondwe twabatwinire yijuka ngo nyene garikanga kwijisya agabagebe mbire Agarikwotysa
Agarikwotysa yarizoba akaruhuka dokoro okuronda omunyisengero mukazi orakikirire abakazi bokwe hona nakaterizo bali nyinkakare.
This is still our dokolo and we need to work together as a team such that we build our district.
Entebe kanisa zirunzi gendo misho okwasa kitebe kanisa mukoro gukwemeka omureberezi wa kanisa gabarukora hansi mukagugwanda faka ahabwe cyange cya Ankole Dr. Bishop Cyrus Taiwa.
Tutine kugamba aha consecration y'umureberezi w'amakanisa gabarukore hamwe National Fellowship of Born Again Pentecostal Churches Bishop Dr. Cyrus
kandi hona umurindi kuru kunareba muwanga kivumbi yargayo no kugira ngo bwahati akine mirimo yayine korra abantu abamuroziri.
Why should I resign? I have a contract with the voters. The contract with the voters.
Nagand Omugarkoski. Omugarkoski rizuba.
Evas Akankwasa utakaibwa evening special niruko bane kurata hona Bishop Dr. Silas Taiba wanonda kumanya habinje bikugenda mission na program zitu za mkoto yitu ya YouTube Uganda, YouTube Nation na Facebook na GNTV YouTube ahona nuje kwa no tushanga ukanda na makurugona no gariba kurunji mukama murunji abandi ndere